Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to here, I share tutorials on GIS and Python to help you learn mapping, spatial analysis and automation. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install and set up QGIS step by step. By the end, you will have QGIS running on your computer and ready for your first project. Let's get started. Then, for the first step, you have to download the QGIS. For that, you can open your browser and simply search QGIS. Simply go to this website. Then this is the QGIS official website. Here you can see they have included something to donate them. Actually, they are doing something special because this QGIS is completely free. If you are wishing to donate them, you can donate from here, and if not, skip it and go to download. And they have mentioned that the current version is Solatan. However, the long-term build is that the Bratislava. If you are prefer to go with latest version, you can click here. If you are wishing to go with the long-term version, you have to click this one. Then it will be downloading. The downloading is processing here. Now our QGIS setup has been downloaded. Then our next step is to install it. Once the download is complete, open the install file. Then a setup wizard will appear. Click next button. Then accept the license. Then choose where you want QGIS to be installed. Actually, the default location works fine. Then click next button. Then click the install button. The installation will take a few minutes depending on your system. Then when it is done, click finish. That's it. QGIS is now installed on your computer. Then you can click it and open. Let's open QGIS for the first time. When you launch the program, you will see the QGIS splash screen and then the main interface. This is the QGIS main interface. Up to now, I have worked on some projects and saved them. That's why actually some kind of projects are appearing in here. So if you need to create a new project, you can open it from here. Now this is the main interface of QGIS. Before working on a project, you need to check and change the coordinate reference system. For that, you can click on project tab. Thereafter, go to properties. Then the CRS interface will appear like this. Then simply you can choose your appropriate coordinate reference system from this. Then click enter. This is the layer panel. When you import some layers, those layers will be appeared in this layer panel. This is your canvas. Let's import a base map. Here I have added the base map. Then if you need to save any project, you can go to project tab, then save as. Then you can save your project file using any appropriate name. And click save. And that's it. You have successfully installed and set up QGIS and created your very first project. In future videos, we will dive deeper into data visualization, spatial analysis, and automation using Python inside QGIS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more GIS and Python tutorials.